Today we're going to follow a developmental progression of recovery. I'm going to take you through 4 stages in this process of recovery from alcoholism. I'm going to start with the background of research, how this project came about, and then we're going to go through the stages, and then we'll have time for questions afterwards. I'd like to say a few things, first of all, about the combination of mental health traditional theory and practice and addiction theory and practice. It's a very difficult interaction, collaboration, if you will. It certainly is a very difficult marriage. Many mental health practitioners work every day in your offices, in many other settings, with addicted people. And at the same time, many of you have not received specialty training in addiction. In the sense then, not having difficulty identifying it, seeing when it's present, recognizing it, and then if you do recognize it, knowing what to do with an individual sitting with you in an office